Alright, now let's start with the first exercise. Now it is very simple. We want to check the PowerShell version we are using. Of course, now because here from the prompt you can see that it is 7.33, the latest version currently. However, we have this variable with its properties that we can check the version that we want. In that case, we will use the $sign PS as capital or small. Actually, it doesn't matter here in PowerShell. This is one of the features here. Now we use version and table. All right, press enter. Now you can see that this will print the version of the PowerShell we are using, and it will print the table of all of its properties. So you can see the PowerShell version is 7.3. The edition here is core. The get command ID, etc., etc., the OS we are using, the platform, PS, etc., etc. Okay. Now, what if I want to automate this and I want to print the first property, which is the PS name only or the PS version only? In that case, I will use again the same command I used previously with the dot, and I can put any property we want. So, for example, I want the PS version. Here I can right click, it will copy and paste, right click as well. This will print only 7, the major, and the minor is 3, and the batch is 3, pre-release and build label. As you can see, it is very sophisticated, and actually it is very, very intelligent. All right, it is not like the bash scripting. I'm not saying it is better than the bash script. Each one has its own cons and pros. However, PowerShell has very pros in that area. So for example, I want to say the same thing with .os capital, all right, or OS small as well. You can see that it will provide the same result. And here you can see that it will be Microsoft Windows 10, etc., etc. And again, I can use it with other things like platform, serialization version, whatever platform, etc., etc. Okay, all right, thanks for watching.